So this is how much snow we got last night, like a foot.
Can you get in and see if my glove is there? Can you get in through there?
Malachi, you ready to go home? So Vanessa was supposed to work 7 today, but after she got to work, she was told she had to work a split. So she came back to the hotel room for a break, and before it was time for her to go back, they said they were closing the restaurant. So we're on our way home now. Right, Malachi? Yeah? Okay, I can't feel my fingers. They really hurt, though. So we are on our way home. Yeah. We'll take our time and we'll update you guys. How you feeling, Malachi? Yeah, okay, you look traumatized. Yeah, same. Malachi, come here! Come here! Come here, Malachi! Come get in the snow! Oh, you gotta poop, don't you? You only pooped once. Yeah, you're gonna go poop. Okay, then come play in the snow. Hey, Malachi, come here! Come get in the snow! Jump in the snow! Come here, Malachi! Come here! Malachi, here, go in there! Come on, do it again, it was cute!
Come here, Malachi! Come on! Over here!
Go, Malachi! Come on, Malachi! Come on!
Come over!
No. Come on, this way! This way! Go on! Go up to the house!
Go on!
She's like, no.
What does it look like in the backyard?
I don't know. You're on her leash.
What?
You were stood on her leash. It's not bad at all. Come on! Come on! Come on! Get in the snowbank! Yes! Come on, Malachi! Come on! No!
You could have had stuff brought in by now.
Oh, it's too cold. So we're cooking supper tonight. I'm really happy that I don't know if I told you guys. I don't think so. Vanessa was supposed to work 7 o'clock. So now we're home and we're cooking supper. And I'm very, very happy we're home. I missed it. We're having pasta.
Oh, garlic bread. Yeah, my face just said awesome.
I'd say that garlic pizza would be good with this.
You didn't fucking take a bite of the cheese again, did you?
The best part about having our own house is whenever you're in the mood for a piece of cheese, you can just go bite it off the block. Yet I'm against drinking straight out of the carton. I'll never understand me.
These pots and pans. Like, look, it doesn't even stick. It just...
I think you'd like them even if they were shit because they're Master Chef. I almost said Mastercraft.
Close.
You're Mastered Craft. Now ready for the best one, boys? Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, really.
Don't that look good? Oh my god, you're the best cook ever. I'm glad I married a cook. Oh, I love when we cook together.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy. Thank you, baby girl.
Mm-hmm.